Aloha, happy Wednesday. So I decided today's going to be my no meat day. So this is a cauliflower bake, I guess you'd call it. Before it goes in the oven, I pre-cooked the cauliflower a little bit because it takes a while for it to get soft. So we'll see it when it gets out. And there we have it, folks. Yummy, yummy dinner. Not open a can. Didn't open a box. It's not vegan because it has cheese and eggs in it, but it is vegetarian. And I'm going to give y'all just a little something to giggle about. Oops, sorry about that. A rich lifeism. Pizza isn't junk food. It's got pineapple on it. Okay. And another one. To the person who lives in, I don't even know where she lives. But I think your last review was Pizza Hut pizza. Ew, yuck. No. And you've given us reviews on Big Macs. Ew, yuck, no. Another person who doesn't know where the produce department is. But there you have it, folks. Nice little dinner. A little leftover. And until next time, aloha.